Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you that you could make $50 a day online starting right now? Yes, I mean right now, without any skills, without any experience, and without spending a single dollar. That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, step by step, how to start earning on Fiverr as a complete beginner. I'm going to break it down into 5 simple steps plus a secret Fiverr gig idea that people are making thousands with, but barely anyone talks about it. And before we start, hit the subscribe button because every week I share easy and practical ways to make money online and you don't want to miss the next one. For anyone new here, Fiverr is one of the biggest freelancing platforms in the world. It's where people from all over the globe buy and sell services, starting at just $5. But here is the thing, those $5 gigs, they often lead to bigger order, $20, $50, even $200 in some cases. Now, why is Fiverr perfect for beginners? Because you don't need to be a certified professional. You just need to know how to use simple online tools or follow clear instructions. Let me give you an example. I searched for a background remover and found a seller charging $15 per order with over 1,000 reviews. That at least $15,000 earned for one simple skills. And removing a background literally takes 10 seconds with the right free tools. This is why Fiverr works. There is high demand, low entry barriers, and global buyers. And here is the good news. All of these have repeated customers, which means you can get regular orders without chasing new buyers every day. If you are enjoying this idea so far, drop a comment below and tell me which gig you will try first. I love reading your comments and I will reply as many as I can. Okay, let's move straight for creating a Fiverr profile that sells. Now, let's make sure your Fiverr profile actually gets you sales. Step 1 on creating Fiverr profile picture. Use a clear, friendly headshot. If you don't want to show your face on Fiverr, Fiverr has a clean file inverter options. You can use Fiverr inverter option in case you don't want to show your face. Step number 2, your gig title. Focus on what the customers get. Instead of background removal service, say, I will remove background for 10 images in 24 hours. Specific and benefit driven. Step number 3, your gig description. Keep your gig description friendly but confident. Look at this example. Hi, my name is Ben Power. I specialize in fast, high quality background removal for e-commerce, social media, or personal projects. I guarantee on-time delivery and 100% satisfaction. Step number 4, your portfolio. Even if you don't have any client yet, create 3 to 5 samples, make before and after images, or design a few demo social media posts in Canva. Step number 5, pricing packages. Offer basic, standard, and premium pricing package. For example, on your basic package, you set your price on $10 for 5 images. On standard, you set your price on $20 for 10 images. Premium, $30 for 15 images. All of them plus the same day delivery. And here is a tip. Use keywords in your gig title, in your gig tags and description. So Fiverr's algorithm recommends you to buyers searching for your services. This little touch can take you from being an average seller to a top rated seller in months. Want me to make a full Fiverr profile setup tutorial where I walk you through every step on screen? Hit the like button right now so I know you want it. If we get to 200 likes, I will make it happen. Alright, so how do we hit that $50 per day target? Let's say your gig is $10. That means just 5 orders a day get you there. At 20 at $20 per gig, it's only 3 orders a day can get you to $50 a day. Once you have 10 to 20 good reviews, start increasing your prices slightly. Add extras like fast delivery, more items, or premium formatting. You can also create multiple gigs in the same niche. For example, if you do Canva designs, create separate gigs for Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, and Facebook ads. And here's the smart part. Once you get more orders than you can handle, outsource some of the work to other freelancers for less. Become the middleman, still delivering to your client while freeing up time. Now for the bonus gig I promise, click every YouTube timestamp. YouTubers love this because it helps their viewers navigate videos, but most don't have time to do it. You can simply watch their video, use YouTube transcript, copy the times, and format them into clickable chapters. Charge $10 to $20 per video, and once you have regular YouTuber clients, it becomes an easy repeat income stream. And that's how you can start earning $50 a day on Fiverr with zero experience. Start small, deliver value, and watch your orders grow. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn the notification bell so you never miss a tip that could change your income. And if you want my free Fiverr gig starter template, the links in the description. Download it and start today. See you in the next one.